Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here, and today I am doing I'm trying something a little bit different today in um how I film my videos. So this is me sitting here trying to plan what I'm about to do. So I have the canvas board, I have the image. I am looking right now to find a suitable what's the word I'm looking for? To find a suitable God, what is the name of this thing? A suitable stencil that would be a good background for this piece. So yeah, so I have a few suggestions on the side and I'm still going through. But I think I decided, yes, I did decide on one of those. Yeah, I think that's the one. So this is the one I decided to use. So what I wanted to do today was use several different colors to decorate it, because usually I just use one color. I'm gonna try several different colors on this one to see how it turns out, and then we'll go from there. So I used some distressed ink, but what I realized I should have done here, I used my fingers, which was not such a good idea. So the next time I use this, I'll use a brush or a sponge or something that could spread it evenly, because it did not spread the way I wanted it to. But that's okay, you know, as I go along, I learn different things and make changes to my process. So yeah, so I got this new color today, this ink pad. It's like a turquoise blue. I have another one that's a very light blue, but this one is a little bit darker. So I'm trying to get different shades of, different colors on my ink pad so I can use them to do different things. So I think I use pink, blue, pink, yellow, and lilac, I think. So yeah, there I have pink. And then you'll see the lilac and the yellow and stuff. One of the things I realize I need to do is wash my stencils off. They're starting to look real grungy and dirty, and I don't like that. So I think I'm gonna spend some time today rinsing them off and cleaning them off. I saw a cloth that at the art store that they sell to clean off these stencils, but it's a little tiny piece of cloth, like the cloth you clean your glasses with, and they wanted like $10 for it, and I'm like, no, I'm not paying $10 for that little piece of thing. So I have to figure out what type of cloth it is, and if it's the cloth that you clean your glasses with, I have several of those lying around my house because I get one every time I change my glasses. So I'm gonna try and use that, but today I think I'm gonna soak them in some soapy water and clean them up, because like I said, they look kind of terrible. So yeah, so there's the lilac I put on the edges. Just to get a different pattern. Yeah, so that's what it looked like. So see, if I had spread the silver distress spray that I used, it wouldn't look like there was a mess in the middle. So next time I do that, I'll make sure if I spray it, I make sure I have something that can spread it evenly so it doesn't look like that. So yeah, So now I decided I needed something a little bit brighter, and I needed some flowers since the image that I'm using is that of a lady. So see, so that's one of my stencils that I really need to rinse off and clean up. There you go. Okay, so that puts some more color next to the image where I'm gonna put the face. So all of these pencil drawings that you see that I'm using on these pieces, these are my drawings. I did them before and I just had them sitting there, and you guys know I like to recycle stuff. I like to reuse stuff, and I don't like to waste stuff. So I thought about it and I said, well, they're just sitting there in a book. So maybe I could use them in my new art pieces. So that's kind of what I've done. So I've used the craft knife and I cut them out the best way that I could. And on some of them I use like coloring pencils. Like for her lips I use coloring pencils, and her eyes and stuff. So just kind of bring it out rather than have it just as a blank pencil drawing. So that's what you see, and I've cut out, and some of them it's been like the whole top part of the person. So a lot of those I've cut off to fit the canvas, or the canvas board that I have. Because I think this canvas board that I'm using here is an 8x10. So I needed to cut down the size of the drawing. So when I found that when I use paint on the canvas boards and I go to use regular paper glue on the back of these drawings, it does not stick. So I've had to use what you call this thing, medium. Today I'm just forgetting everything, but you'll see. I'll pick it up in a minute and you'll see what I'm using. Gel medium is the word I'm trying to remember. Gel medium is what I use to stick the drawings onto the canvas board. So here I'm just gonna put one word to describe her, which I believe the word is fierce. So I'm gonna do that in black so that you can actually see it when you look at the piece. There you go. So I'm just gonna do one word. Actually, I didn't do it in black, I did it in purple. There you go. So it kind of blends in with the lilac that is already on the thing. So then I had some toilet rolls. You guys know what that is, when the toilet paper finishes the little cardboard thing. I decided to use that and put some more color. I decided to use metallic blue to put some more color onto this piece, because it's like a contrast from all the kind of pastel colors that are on there. I decided to use that metallic blue. So yeah, I put a little bit on a paper plate and I'm trying to get it to run so I have enough space so when I dip it, it will print on there. So see, I didn't want to use a lot of paint, so I'm waiting for it to run down and spread so there'll be enough space for the toilet roll to get wet, you know, to get the paint up. So So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing here. There you go. So see, in a little space there, I didn't get it all, so it just half a circle, but that's okay. And I'm putting it on there before I stick. What's the matter? I'm putting it on there before I stick stuff on. Stick the actual image on there. My dogs are bugging me. I guess they must want to go outside, but I'm almost done with this voiceover. So as soon as I get done, I'll take them out. Because they usually come and jump on me when they get ready to go outside. I tell you, having dogs, it really helps. I was never a dog person until I got my dogs, and I can't imagine not having them with me now, because they've been such a blessing and, you know, such good company sometimes. So I would suggest anybody who lives alone, it's great to have a pet, have a dog, or if you like cats. I'm not a cat person. But if you like cats, you know, they really help to get you through days when you just, you know, things are just rough as a single person. So I'm thankful for my two little booger bears, my fur babies, or whatever you want to call them, because they've truly been a blessing to me. So here I am trying to get the gel medium on the back of the drawing so that I can stick it on the thing. So I didn't put all that in focus, so it's not like I'm just having you stare at a blank page. It's just, you know, well, not a blank page, but you know what I mean. So I'm trying to get it spread evenly, and then I'm going to put it on the thing. So see, there it is. I had to get it all even out. So now I'm going to place it on the canvas and make sure it's everything spread and it would stick and it would stay. Yeah, so there it is. I just have, I think, one little more thing to add to it, which is a border. I always try to put like a, you know, colored border on it so that it looks finished. Yes, then I just put some more of that stuff to make sure it dries properly. So anyway, guys, this is almost the end of the video. So I'm just so grateful that you joined me for this video today. I want to remind you, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday, and I invite you to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. Please leave a comment, and share it with anyone who you think may want to see this. And I do these videos because I want to encourage someone to start creating art. Someone who's always wanted to do it but didn't feel that they could. I challenge you to pick up a paper and a pencil and begin to draw, even if it don't look like you think it should look. The more you do it, the better you will get at it. Okay, so that's my main reason for having this channel, you guys, to just encourage people to try something new. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, all right, bye now.